Oh, look at all those little beauty. Maybe not this one, but they are smelling incredible. So it's time to make quince paste. They are smelling divine. I found them on the side of the road next to our house and they are smelling so delicious. So now it's time to cook them. So I'm gonna make this little paste just to eat it like that, but you can accompany, serve it with cheese or mainly cheese really, or you eat it like that. Ah, I love it. So let's make it. So we're gonna start cutting them. Just removing them in half. It's a very hard fruit, it's always like that. A little quarter. I'm gonna just remove the pip from inside. On the skin, remove whatever it's not nice. Like for example this one, I'm gonna remove that part. There we go. Yeah, this one is totally rotten, so I'm gonna just cut it through here. Just keep what's good. So that's it. They all cut. Kept all the best part. I'm gonna give you a clean now. Look, all of that. It was lots of worms actually. So let's clean all of this. There we go, in a pan, and we're gonna cook them in water until they're very soft. You can put a knife easily into it. Alright guys, so this has been boiling for at least a good 10 minutes. And it's soft to the knife. It's ready. So the water here is full of the pectin coming out of the skin of the quince. So we're gonna keep some of the water and recook it with sugar this time. Okay, so let's remove some of the water. Just a bottom. Anyway, when we're gonna blitz that with sugar, it's gonna cook on the stove and keep cooking and drying and evaporate the rest of the water until we have a nice paste. So it's no big deal if it's too much water or not enough. Alright, so we need to weigh up what we've got here. A 1,600. Back in a pan, and let's do the same with sugar. Hola. There we go. And this goes in a pan. There we go. Alright guys, so let's blitz it. There you go, nice and smooth. It's that you can't leave it on its own, otherwise it will burn very quickly, so you have to keep stirring it time to time. So I mean, stay next to it. Just a pleasure. Voila, I'll come back in 2 minutes and do the same again. Okay, there you go. So now it has reduced after a good 10 minutes. So I'm gonna reduce the flame. So this is on a small heat and let it simmer to finish the cooking. Alright guys, so it looks like it's ready. It's very thick. I dipped my marries earlier and see it's kind of setting. It wants to set. So I've done another try a bit earlier. This is still a bit sticky and soft. So we're gonna do another try. Yeah. Let it sit, see what happens. Up. Okay, here. See, it's cooling down. It wants to come off of the rubber. You see? So it's a very good sign. See, come off of the rubber. So that means it's gonna set. Let's check the one we put in the freezer. Yes. It will set. Let's see if it come off of the plate. Yes. Let's see, look. It's coming off of the plate. See? So that it's definitely fine. Up. Cooked enough. So now I was thinking to add a little bit of lemon juice, some acidity to react the pectin much quicker. At the end of the cooking is what we do for fruit paste. Or at the end of the cooking we add some acidity and it reacts the pectin even stronger or quicker. So I don't have lemon. So I wonder if I could use some rice vinegar. I know it's not great, but it doesn't smell as bad as a normal vinegar, if you know what I mean. I will use just a tiny drop. It's okay. I'm gonna do it. So, that much. Let's mix it through. That'll be alright. Okay, let's pour it into our mold now. Okay, so a double layered of this tray of cling film. This tray would be good because if you reach the top, it'd be a good thickness. And it looks like it's gonna just make it actually. There, yeah. It's actually the right amount for this tray. There. Let's spread it evenly. That's it. Wow. Guys, I think we have a good quince paste. So we're gonna let it set like that outside, room temperature. And once it's set, we're gonna cut it and have a little degustation. Degustation? Little test. Too much French in my head now. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright, so moment of truth after 2 hours. Look at that. Nice. Okay, let's get to the slice. Ooh, look, it peels very easily out of the cling film. Lovely. Do you want to try, Nono?
Yeah.
Me first.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Do you like it? That's the fruit we picked up from the tree yesterday. I love it.
It tastes so funny.
Oh yeah, a bit. Again?
Okay.
It's sweet, right?
Yeah.
It's not good for the decades. Voilà. That's all, guys. I hope you'll be able to make some. But after with those fruits, you can make jelly, jam. So if you want to make jam, you will stop the cooking process just before it becomes very sticky. And you will have a jam. And for the jelly, it's a bit more complicated. It's the juice of the cooking that you have, you know. But we can make it another day. That's all, guys.